All right, here we are with number 10. So this, you could do it a couple different ways. If you looked at the mark scheme, you would see that they plugged in numbers, which you can kind of do. The only issue with that is they use 36, which happens to be the perfect number to use in this situation. And that's not really something I would rely on. If you wanted to use numbers, you could still use anything. You would just have to keep in mind the fact that you're probably going to be dealing with decimals. For this problem in particular, I'm working with fractions here. So it says 2/3 of the fish are red. So 2/3 are red, which mean, and the others are yellow, which means 1/3 is yellow. 1/4 of the red fish are venomous. So 1/4 of 2/3 are red and venomous, and 1/3 of the yellow fish are venomous. So 1/3 of 1/3 are yellow and venomous, and the rest of the fish are not venomous. What proportion of the venomous fish are red? So there's a couple things we need to take into consideration here. First of all, if we were to multiply these out, that means 2/12 or 1/6 of the fish are red and venomous. This means 1/9 of the fish are yellow and venomous. So we're doing the same thing that you would expect if you were trying to come up with some kind of fraction of the total. You need some number, and you need some total. Now the number that we can figure out is 1/6, because we know 1/6 of the fish are red and venomous, and the total number of fish that are venomous are going to be 1/6 of the red fish and 1/9 of the yellow fish. So then it's just a matter of simplifying the fraction. So we'll have 1/6 over 9 over 54 plus 6 over 54 Let's have a touch. Over 54. All right, then we have keep, change, flip, which becomes 54 divided by 15, or just cross multiply 54 over 6 times 15, which is 9 over 15, so 3/5. So 3/5 of the venomous fish are red.